In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a photo and the paper clip at the bottom right corner and hit Images at the top. Now you can hold all of your photos that you wish to add here. Find them in one of your apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!